I come across a lot of people who read a lot about what to eat and what not to eat during radiation. But the information which you would get is at times very misleading, and people mention eating such exotic foods which you will not even find in India. So it is important to eat very well during these treatments because these treatments are very demanding. The requirement of the body is more which is required normally otherwise. So main things are that your protein content should be very good because these are bodybuilding foods, and body requires more bodybuilding foods because of repairs which are required during treatment. Second thing, radiation induces fatigues. To get rid of fatigues, it is important to have a lot of fluids. These fluids can be in form of milk or curds, yogurts, juices or soups. In very few situations, we may tell you to avoid milk, and these situations would include those in which the radiation is being delivered to the abdomen, like when we are treating say cervix or prostate or stomach or some cecum or rectum. That is the situation where we say have a milk-free diet, because milk causes a tendency towards diarrhea. Apart from this, we always encourage you to avoid raw fruits and vegetables. The reason being because these fruits and vegetables can have germs which can cause you infections, because during radiation your body immunity is on the lower side. Some fruits are allowed, especially those ones which do not require manipulations. For example, banana, you just peel and you have it. But whereas pomegranate, each and every seed has to be touched. So those fruits and vegetables which require a lot of cutting, chopping and manipulations should be avoided. Similarly, we tell you to not take open juices, because open juicers or those mixers can have fibers where fungus can be there. So try to take fruits which are juices which are packaged and are of recent manufacture, not very old. Additionally, avoid spicy and fatty foods for two reasons. Because they aggravate the side effect of treatment. They can cause more nausea, vomiting, they will cause acidity, that will interrupt your treatment. So have slightly blander foods. Although you can take ghee or butter in moderation, we also allow fresh lime for the purpose of the taste. Very spicy, lot of garam masala, these all cause lot of acidity, retching, and your treatment will cause lot of discomfort. The patients who are getting radiation for the abdomen, we also tell you to avoid those foods which cause gases, because they will cause bloating, your radiation masks will not fit. At the same time, you will also not be getting radiation to the right place, because gases will change your organs inside. So avoid thick beans or cabbages which can cause gaseous distensions. For those who are getting radiation to the throat or the food pipe, the food should be consumed at a room temperature, because otherwise there will be ulcers in the throat or in the food pipe. Also avoid hard foods which can cause or friction or rub against your skin inside. So if you want to have dry fruits, either you can crush them or you can soak them and make them a bit softer in consistency. And skin also is an area which can get disruption during treatment. So do not apply any soap, creams and oils on the areas which you are being radiated to. Do not rub those areas when you have your bath. Just dab with the towels. Use soft towels, just dab with them so that skin doesn't come out. You can always inquire from the doctor that can some ointment be applied, because there are some medicines which doctors give to soothe the radiation effects on the skin. Apart from that, your blood counts have to be monitored frequently. If there is a fall in blood count, there will be more restrictions on the food. We may not allow you any raw fruits when your blood counts are on the lower side. And if you follow all these instructions, I think there should be no major treatment interruptions and the recovery should be good.